Cyrus takes forever to craft, and I'm hungry now! Here's how you can make your very own Campfire Pizza. I'll be making it in the wild, too. First, you'll need some pizza dough. Store-bought is fine. This is a half recipe from my Mach Pizza video. There's a link to it in the description. Pound it out until you get a nice 10-inch circle. No need for a rolling pin here. Now, when I made this dough, I coated it in oil. If you didn't, make sure to add a little bit of oil to the pan. Now, before you start cooking, have your toppings ready, cause it's gonna happen pretty quick. To make it look just like the in-game pizza, you'll need a little sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and some sliced green bell peppers. Alright, over high heat on your camping stove, start cooking your dough. Cook it about 3 to 5 minutes or so. Check on it so it doesn't burn. Flip it carefully. My fingers are already pretty calloused with burns, so I'm not even going to use tongs here. You should though. Cool, now turn down the heat to medium and pile on the toppings. First, a ladle of tomato sauce. Spread it just below the edges so you have a nice crust. Sprinkle on the cheese carefully in an even layer. Don't sweat if any falls in the pan. Burnt cheese is very tasty. Then arrange the pepperoni as such. We're going for in-game accuracy here after all. Finish it off with green bell peppers. Nice! Now cover it with a lid and cook on medium-low heat for 5 to 6 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Like this! Wow, 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 that's a beautiful pie. Carefully place it back on your cutting board and let it cool for a few minutes. Then you can slice it and eat! Pizza! And it didn't take 6 hours to make. Let's bask in its glory! Yummy! If you like that, check out this video. I think you'll dig it. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit me up on social media. I'm more than happy to chat. If you want to help me produce more videos, consider becoming a pal on Patreon, or shop on Amazon using the link in the video description. Until next time, take it easy folks.